Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're gonna be going over why I personally use Binance and why I think it's the best broker out there. So if you want to know why, this is my opinion, stay tuned to find out more. First of all, let's just discuss how many options do they have out there. Well, I personally can see more than 25 plus when it comes down to trading, investing, getting passive income, maybe even renting some of your hotels when you go on trips and so on with cryptocurrencies. That's just crazy if you ask me. Okay. Just a year ago, none of this would be possible. Even 2, 3, 5, 10 years, probably people wouldn't be even thinking about such thing being out there. And not only that, but let's just take into example and into consideration when it comes down to the other brokers, for example, Crypto.com and Kraken, which are one of the most valuable and one of the most viral ones out there. What are the fees? Why am I choosing Binance? Well, let me tell you, the deposit fees are much lower when it comes down to the rest of the brokers. This one has the lowest fees amongst all of them, and you'll be able to see them on the screen right now. Not only that, but they're doing the least amount of transactions getting distributed to other holders who are executing on an affiliate program. What does that mean? They're not taking a larger sum for you to trade on their platform, which is great. Not only that, but they have an affiliate program which we've discussed previously, which will allow you guys to join and actually create maybe even wealth, maybe some passive income, and all of those things that I'm sure each and every one of us want. That's pretty much it. Okay. Another thing to really take into consideration is that they have a leverage program. Into your futures trading account, futures trading, just repetition, that account will allow you to have up to 100x your money, which is crazy. And if you're experienced, if you know what you're doing, and you're pretty bold with your moves, you can get up to 100x of your initial investment and enter a trade for that amount. That will obviously mean that you'll lose probably much quicker if it goes against you, but if it goes on the same way as you're saying, the speculation going up or down, meaning going long or shorting, you're gonna be making big bucks. So if you know what you're doing, it's gonna have a super nice, optimal way for you to generate more revenue, which is what we all want. Another amazing thing to keep in mind is that there's a professional and there's Lite version. Obviously in the professional one, there's 5 taps underneath, you'll be able to see them on the screen, and on the Lite one, there's only 3. And on the third one, you can see your portfolio. That looks super neat. I'm really happy and I'm enjoying it so much. However, when you go to the professional one, you really do feel like you're doing something. You're looking into the weeds of every coin that you have. And not only that, you can look into all of your trades with such detail that you can know up to the penny whether you're making $1 or $1 and a penny, if you see what I'm trying to say. You'll be able to see what are the fees for going up to 100x leverage if that's what you're looking for. But obviously stay really focused because you don't want to risk 100x leverage on your open position trade, because that can really mess up your trading. I would recommend personally not more than 5 to 10 to even 15x of your initial investment to open a trade, but it's down to whatever you guys feel most comfortable. Another amazing feature of Binance is the earn option, and that is to generate passive income for yourself. I personally am using it and I will continue using it for a long period of time, because let me tell you, there's such coins as you know, Bitcoin for example is gonna give you 2% per year just for holding your specific coins within the platform. That's the interest, that's pretty much it. For example, USDT is gonna give you 7%, that's just crazy. Just think about it. If you were to invest, let's say 100,000, you're gonna be getting 7,000. That's crazy, just out of doing nothing. Well, I'm gonna give you a quick example when it comes down to investing. The banks nowadays are not gonna give you even 1% per year. And here we are, USDT, a stable coin which does not fluctuate, is gonna give you 7%. That's just mind-blowing, isn't it? Not only that, but they're allowing you to have new coins introduced to the market, and when they're getting introduced, they have limited offers. Those limited offers are allowing you guys to execute trades with much better opportunities and much better variables, let's call it that way. Another amazing thing about the earn option when it comes down to your passive income is that they have a weekly and monthly new coins, which new coins, to be more specific, are going to have higher returns the more you stake them. So for example, last week it was Matic and Atom. They allowed 43% per year for you guys, if you enter the trade, to gain passive income. However, that's only available for a limited time and there's a maximum of quantity. For example, if I remember correctly, and I should remember correctly because I did it, for Matic, for example, the price was 180 and they could allow only 250 coins to be staked, because it's called staking and it's earning you interest on a 44% per year up to 15 days. That would mean approximately 1% and something you're gonna get a return on your 15 days, then you'll be out of the position, and 250 is about $500, so you get the math. You're pretty much gonna make 1.5% on $500 just in 15 days without doing anything. I think that's a pretty good deal when you consider you can make money while you sleep. Yeah, that's what we all want. Another amazing feature that the Binance platform has in itself is just buying and selling. It's so simple. You literally just have to type in what you're looking for. Let's say, for example, you want to buy some Ethereum, you put ETH, and then the specific coin you want to buy, for example, through USDT, you put USDT and you just click buy. That's it. Nothing pretty much that is going to complicate your whole process. That's what I'm saying. And if you're so not unaware and unexperienced with what's happening, you can just click on the Lite version, not on the professional one, and it's gonna be even much easier for you guys. Not only that, but there's more than 30 videos explaining how you can buy any coins, how you can stake, how you can earn passive income, and how you can do all of those trading activities that you want just by Googling on their website. That's pretty much it. Super simple. One of the best features, however, of Binance that none of the other brokers are allowing, there's a few, for example, Crypto.com and Kraken, that are allowing you guys to use this, is the authentication and email verification. When you're about to make a withdrawal or a deposit, it is a must that you value every cent that you're doing, and it is a must that you do not make any mistakes at all, because if you make any mistake whatsoever, you're going to lose the amount you're going to be transferring. And that's why they're implementing the security features for having your phone authenticator, being able to lock in on your specific code, and only you can execute those trades. Not only that, but email verification is also required. Except if anybody else has access to your email, they still wouldn't be able to do it because they need their phone authentication on your specific phone. So from a security standpoint of view, it's right up there. Not to even mention, that's the other best thing, is the customer service. They have an online chat, and as soon as you open it, it's gonna state on what specific level are you on the queue. And it's gonna stay, for example, you're number 100 in the queue. So what does that mean? They're gonna tell you that's gonna be about half an hour to an hour. And it's gonna stay opened through either your web browser, meaning your laptop, your PC, whatever, or on your phone. And you're gonna receive notification even if you've closed it down as soon as they're online, so that you can text them and you can immediately see what's happening. So if you have any query whatsoever, that's going to be the best solution for you. They also have an email address, you can send an email, they're going to get back to you as quick as possible. And one of the most final and amazing features, I'm going to tell you, but first you need to smash the like button. Don't forget that. Smash the like button. And if you want to get and earn 5% on your deposit, well, what do you need to do? You need to look in the description down below, because that's going to be you guys, your referral link. You're going to be able to generate revenue for yourself, not only for yourself, but also through the people that you guys recommend. For example, every time you recommend someone, they're going to be gaining 5% and you're going to be gaining 5%. That's how it works. If you want to generate some passive revenue, that's the way you should do it. And the final most amazing thing is that you can have a Binance card. You'll be able to see it right here on the screen. That Binance card, let me tell you what happens with it. You'll be able to purchase hotels, you'll be able to purchase flights, you'll be able to purchase food, you'll be able to purchase even sometimes real estate with cryptocurrencies. What is it there to think about it? I think that we're all thinking about the same thing, aren't we? You can save on taxes. Who said that? You can save on taxes, I said. Who's saying that? Well, I don't know, but the whole idea is that you want to be as legal as possible. Make sure you do due diligence, and I'm not a financial advisor, but here I am stating to you that the Binance card allows you to buy everything with crypto, so you can do your own research and decide whether that's the best one for you guys. There are some other coins and some other cards out there and some other brokers, so make sure you do your own research, but this is the video that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys because I'm personally a huge fan of Binance, and that's pretty much why. If you have any questions whatsoever, or you have some disagreements, or maybe some questions which I haven't answered, or maybe there's something you think is better, make sure you put them in the comments section down below and I'll try to respond as quick as possible. You're my priority, so I'm gonna be there 24/7. Thank you all so much once again. If you enjoyed it, make sure you smash, share with your friends, let them all start using Binance, because this is an amazing platform and it's gonna get even regulated. What does that mean? It's gonna be completely legal. Not that it's not now, because the SEC have already worked with them in the past, they have done all of the audits, but let me tell you, they're gonna regulate it more, meaning that you'll be able to pay your taxes through Binance without having to think about it. Let's see how things go, but thank you once again for staying and tuning in. Up to the next one.